Welcome everyone. Today's mindset and energy flow is a blend of Qigong and EFT tapping to help you with mental focus. So find a quiet place to practice and let's get your mind calm and your energy flowing. Hello everyone and welcome to today's practice. Starting with your feet shoulder width apart, a slight bend in the knees, begin rubbing your hands together, creating some heat, friction, energy, and begin tapping where I tap and repeat after me. I am focused and ready to take on the day. Outer eye, clearing my mind from any mental clutter. Under eye, being present in the moment. Upper lip, freeing myself of distractions. Chin, I can easily organize my thoughts. Collarbone, and I can focus on one task at a time. Underarm, feeling clear and focused on the day. Top of the head, I am energized and have clarity in all that I do. Tapping on the center of the forehead, this is just turning off the monkey mind, so taking a deep breath in and slow breath out. Rubbing your hands together again, creating that heat and friction, and then taking the nails of your fingers and running them through the scalp of your head. So this is going to help just bring blood and circulation to the brain. And also we have a lot of nerve receptors in our heads, so this is just helping to calm the mind and clear the mind and get that focus and mental clarity. Now go ahead and step into a wider stance. Place your arms out, palms facing out. And we're going to do neck rotations. So again, just helping with that blood circulation, that energy to the brain. So exhale as you come forward, inhale as you come back. And don't hurt yourself here. Rotate as much as it feels comfortable to you. You can step your feet out a little bit wider too if you start feeling like you're losing balance. And go ahead and rotate in the opposite direction. Again, inhaling as you come back, exhaling as you come forward. Stepping in slightly, place your hands over your lower dantian or belly, and we're going to begin doing a wave or a rolling motion with our body. Acting like a wave, as you bend your knees, your tailbone goes out and the spine waves forward. As your knees roll up, you're going to tilt your pelvic bone forward and your spine waves back. Try not to get too in your head with this motion. The biggest takeaway is you want your body to roll, be fluid and flowing. And your breath being normal with this, just make sure you're not holding your breath, which a lot of people might do because you're concentrating on the movement itself. So just relaxing and letting your body wave around. Now we're going to add in some arms just to get a little bit deeper rolling in that spine, get it through the shoulders and the back as well. Continuing with the wave of the spine, you're going to inhale, wide swing the arms to the center, back of the hands facing each other. As you exhale, your palms will rotate up and pull towards the heart chakra, then swing your arms back and rotate the hands down. And I'll do a side view so you can see a little better. So as the arms swing out, you're going to bend in the knees, push the tailbone out, and then as they come in, you push the tailbone in and coil up, starting at the legs, just letting it ripple up from the legs all the way up through the spine. The spinal cord really is an extension of the brain. So with a lot of these movements, we want to be stretching and flowing and lubricating that spine, getting energy and fluids and nutrients back up to the brain. And I'll say it again, don't stress so much on the movement. It's more so about letting your body feel fluid and flowing, making sure you're getting that rippling effect throughout the entire body, getting that bend and curve in the spine. So inhale, reach forward, exhale, pull back. So your arms are just doing a whipping motion, your body's doing a waving motion. And go ahead and stand shoulder width apart. Bring your right arm up and swipe it across the forehead, keeping the other hand at your waist. And rotate at the hips and switch sides. So this movement is called monkey frolics. It helps to turn off the monkey mind. And it's more of a meditative movement, so we're moving slowly, focusing on the breath. Inhale, slow exhale. Breathing in, lifting the hand. Exhale, dropping it down and rotating sides. As you do this movement, just really concentrating, I like to focus on my hand. I find that focusing on one thing really keeps you present and keeps you in that meditative mind. Calming the mind, we're calming the breath. Just getting present in the moment. And bring your left arm down, scoop your right arm out and bring it down the center of your body. And do that with your left arm, scooping and then bringing it down the center of the body. So we're turning at the hips. Palm scoops up, rotates, and pushes down. This move just helps us to get centered and aligned. So inhaling, scooping up, and we're exhaling as we push down. Slower movements are really great for just clearing and calming the mind. So rotating at the hips, scooping up, exhaling, pushing down the center. Inhale, scoop up, and exhale down the center. And step a little bit wider. Go ahead and breathe in, scooping up again towards the heavens, and let your body float down, slight bend in the knees. We're just going to hang here for a minute. Inversions are really great for getting blood flow to the brain for better concentration and focus. So you can sway back and forth. You can place your hands on your mat, or if you have a yoga block handy, you can go ahead and grab that. Don't want to strain the body. Just make sure that you are comfortable. Just swinging back and forth. Again, whatever feels comfortable for you. And then go ahead and let your arms drop, and we're going to roll up vertebrae by vertebrae. So nice slow roll up. And then inhale, scooping up again and letting yourself fold forward. And hanging again for just a few more seconds. Getting all that fluid, that energy, that blood flow to the brain, and rolling up slowly. And one more time, inhale, scoop up, exhale, fall forward. Either grab onto your elbows or place your hands on the mat. And slowly lift vertebrae by vertebrae. And come back into standing. You can fix your hair and rub your hands together. And we're going to do one more round of tapping. Starting on the inner brow, I am focused and ready to take on the day. Outer eye, clearing my mind from mental clutter. Under eye, being present in this moment. Upper lip, freeing myself of any distractions. Chin, feeling clear and focused on the day. Collarbone, I can easily organize my thoughts. Underarm, and I can focus on one task at a time. Top of the head, I am energized and I have clarity in all that I do. And again, tapping on the center of the forehead, taking a deep breath in and slow breath out. Breathing in, palms face up, scoop up all that energy. Exhale, bring it all the way down the center of your body. It really helps to visualize a big white light around you, scooping that up. Then pulling it down chakra by chakra throughout the center of your body. One more time, breathe in, pulling in that white light, exhaling it down the center of your body. Allow your arms to hang by your side, pull them away slightly so you can feel just that energy buzzing throughout. It should feel just like a magnet pushing your arms away from your body. And then place your hands on your lower dantian. So getting centered again, slight bend in the knees, take a deep breath in, pulling it all the way down to your center, and then a slow exhale out. Again, breathing in, pulling it all the way down to your center, and a slow exhale out. Breathe in and out. Awesome, guys. Give a little shake out. And once again, thank you for practicing with me. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss out on new videos. Also, check out opalroots.com for more information and fun and alternative ways to heal.